Hey, welcome back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Science Channel. As you can see, this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In this video today I am going to discuss this is the One OS, the One UI based on MIUI 12.6.21.7.12. This is ported ROM for this wired. the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 5 AI, Redmi Note 5, all this same. And here is the One UI MIUI version, latest one. Stay tuned to my video. You'll be getting everything detailed about this ROM and how is the battery life, how is the performance of this smartphone after this One UI MIUI 12.6 based on Android 11. Let me show you here all specs. As you can see, Android 11 version. As you can see, this is the Android 11 one on Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this is the kernel you get in this ROM, as you can see. And this is a MIUI version thanks to the developers. And this is a ported ROM, not a original One UI or like that, but they tried for that. Thanks. And this is the home screen you get, and this is a EU based ROM. And stay tuned for this entire video. And if you like the video, give it a like, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below and also allow the notifications, and do support guys by subscribing to my channel. I will be making similar kind of videos on this channel. Do check out my playlists also. There is a Redmi Note 5 Pro. You will be getting all the custom ROMs videos on this channel. And coming to wallpapers, as you can see, in the home screen settings you get this super wallpapers. Let me try to check more. As you can see, you get snow peaks, geometry, faraway rings, home, the red planet, and weather. All these are working fine, but all this kind of wallpapers are given. As you can see, on the One UI type of wallpapers are also given. Let me enable this as my lock screen. And coming to security in this ROM, as you can see, I will just touch it unlocked. Even the face unlock, let me show you once again. As you can see, it's unlocked. It's fine in this ROM. The security options are also given, working fine. And coming to camera application, you will get this ANX camera, the default MIUI camera. Tap to focus, everything is working fine. Let me adjust the brightness little bit. Okay, everything is working fine in this. As you can see, on the front facing camera also working fine in this ROM. And let me go into the settings once again, and you get my device, security status, SIM card, and mobile networks. Wi-Fi settings are given. As you can see, Bluetooth settings, connection and sharing, wallpaper and personalization. Here you get all this kind of icons. As you can see, icon size you can increase or decrease. Even the wallpapers are also given. As you can see, you need to download it. It takes a little bit of time, but it is working fine. And the text styles, fingerprint effects, and the sounds, everything is new, the 12.5 MIUI style. And coming to always on display and lock screen, as you can see, and this is the styles. If you want, you can choose anything. And show items, here you can change your display items or turn off when battery saver is on, like that you can change. And display items you can enable for 10 seconds scheduled or always. Let me show you once again. As you can see, now the screen is off. It will get always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. As you can see, it happened. It will stay for a long time if you enable that settings I shown here. Let me go. As you can see, here you need to enable always. This is the portrait ROM, but still all the features are working fine. And once again, I'll go into this always on and display and lock screen. You get this notification effect also, like this. You can change it out. Even the sleep time, double tap to wake or turn off lock screen, and power menu access, wallpaper carousel. All these settings are given in this ROM. You can definitely try it out. It's good ROM. And coming to display settings, you get here in dark mode also. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time, but anyhow it's working fine. This is a portrait ROM, and even the color scheme options, vivid, saturated, standard and advanced settings are also given. You can choose here. As you can see, enhanced and original P3 or sRGB mode you can choose here also, and I will be keeping it to vivid. And even you get a refresh rate option, but anyhow for the Redmi Note 5 Pro we have standard 60Hz display only, and all these settings are given in the display. And coming to sound and vibration, you get all this kind of settings. As you can see, vibrate on tap is also given here. Profile video for incoming calling and additional settings, sound effects, harmon card, like this it's given, but it's fine actually. As you can see, it's little bit loading every page here, I mean every screen. That's the problem I noticed, but it's heavy actually, this ROM is. And so you're seeing like that. And in the home screen settings you can choose the -1 screen, Google Discover if you want. You even choose App Vault, you even keep it as a none if you don't want -1 screen. And home screen, search bar, system navigation, all these basic settings are given in this ROM. It's working fine. In notification and control center you get this kind of settings. As you can see, notification effect I already shown you. And control central style you can enable a older version or newer version. Not just that, there is also a quick settings, layout and switch control center side. If you want, you can change from left side you will get this notifications, and in the right side you get this kind of new control center. If you want, you can change here from settings. Even collapse after touch is also given in this ROM. This is how the notification and control setting. Home screen I showed you, and fingerprint, face lock, screen lock I showed you. Privacy protection is also new type. Now coming into this privacy protection, you get this settings. It takes a little bit of time to load, and you can enable here the privacy settings. Everything you can change here. And coming to battery settings, you get battery saver, ultra battery saver, and new style of MIUI 12.5 style. As you can see, these things you can enable here. Nothing new or anything like that. And apps sections, you get all the apps. You can choose here the system app settings, the default apps, also manage apps. As you can see, manage home screen shortcuts, dual apps, permissions, app lock also you can enable here. It's working fine, no problem in this settings. And the additional settings you get date and time, language and input region, all these settings, quick pause, one-handed mode, clear speaker, accessibility, Beautify for video calls. Those things are also given in this ROM. And screen time, this and digital well-being. In the special features you get game turbo. In this game turbo you even get the voice changer option also. As you can see, this all the settings you get. Home page orientation, home screen. In the performance mode you can optimize these things. In the additional settings you can choose separate apps and anything like that. If you really need the gaming review of this ROM, do comment down below. I will be playing BGMI or Call of Duty based on your request. And video toolbox is also given, as you can see. And this is how you need to select the app, and video toolbox option is also given. And floating windows also working fine, as you can see. All the MIUI 12.5 features are given. Second space also given. You can use 2 different apps here. And kit space, MIUI light mode, all the features are working fine in this ROM. And this is the One OS settings you get, as you can see. This is the One OS ROM for this Redmi Note 5 Pro based on Android 11, the ported ROM. And you get MIUI camera. If you want, you can even use the Gcam port here. And coming to safety net status in this ROM, I'll be showing you. It takes a little bit of time. The ROM is a little bit heavier than the stock ROMs. As you can see, it gets passed. Coming to Geekbench scores, let me show you in the history. As you can see, the single score is 276 and the multi score is 1241. It's good, nothing bad or anything like that. The performance is good, but it takes a little bit of time to load the apps and everything. That's what I noticed in this ROM. And coming to speed test, as you can see, it's good for the Wi-Fi connection of 2.4 gigahertz. I connected with 2.4 gigahertz. It's working fine. No problem in the internet connection. I used with SIM also just to record this video. I removed the SIM. And coming to CPU throttling test, let me show you in live section. As you can see, start the test. As you can see, the performance is good, but somewhere you will be seeing the downgrade of the performance. It's already old device, 2 to 3 years old device. You will be getting similar performance only. But in this ROM, I did not face any problem even while gaming or even doing day-to-day tasks and even a little bit of video editing like that. It's fine. As you can see, it takes good average peak performance. It's good for considering this Snapdragon 636. It's working fine in this ROM. And coming to camera to API is also enabled, and you can use any Gcam ports in this ROM. And coming to One OS space, you get this kind of settings also from here. And this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro MIUI 12.6 Android 11 One OS style. Do comment down below how is the video and how was this ROM for you. How is the ROM for you? Is it any problem for you in this ROM? Do comment down below. I did not face any problem in this ROM. Only thing is like reloading time is taking more than usual, and these are the tools. You get all the apps and it's working fine actually in this ROM. As you can see, this is the recent apps and all the, you can enable here the RAM settings, how much memory is enabled. From here you need to clear the apps. Those things are working fine. Even the security app is also given, all the settings, and even the gallery app is same, nothing new here. Let me show you. As you can see, setting, nothing new in this gallery app also, but anyhow, this the MIUI One OS 12.6 for this Redmi Note 5 Pro. I mean the variant. Do comment down below if you are facing any problems in this ROM, any battery related issues. Do comment down below so that others will understand. And this Sampath, you are watching Sampath channel. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you are still not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.